So analytical reasoning is back in CLAT. And now it's time to decode what it actually means for CLAT 2027. Hi everyone, welcome to NLTI's official YouTube channel for CLAT and other 5-year law entrance examinations. I am Anish Gupta, the founder of NLTI and soon to be a graduate from what I'd like to believe is the dream law college for most of you, that is the National Law School Bangalore. So CLAT 2026 में एक major curveball ये आया था that the entire critical reasoning section comprised only and only of analytical reasoning. CLAT 2025 में हमें थोड़ा सा hint तो लग गया था क्योंकि एक पैसेज CLAT 2025 में भी आया था फ्रॉम एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग कि CLAT 2026 में बहुत चांसेस है कि एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग का एक पोर्शन तो आएगा. बट व्हाट सरप्राइज मोस्ट ऑफ अस इंक्लूडिंग योर मेंटर्स, योर टीचर्स एंड द स्टूडेंट्स योरसेल्फ इज दैट पूरा क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग और लॉजिकल रीजनिंग का सेक्शन came from analytical reasoning. So now it's time to decode what it actually means, how it plays out in the long run, what it means for CLAT 2027 and how should we tailor our strategy for preparation of logical reasoning now. So stay tuned, we'll discuss what actually happened in CLAT 2026, why it happened and how do we go about preparing for CLAT 2027 now based on our opinion and viewpoint of CLAT 2026. So हुआ क्या? What actually happened in CLAT 2026? So CLAT 2026 की logical reasoning में there were a total of 26 logical reasoning questions and the surprising bit is that all the 26 questions came from analytical reasoning. तो मैंने CLAT 2021 के लिए appear किया था and I got an all India rank of 17 and I think CLAT 2021 से the shift started towards heavy critical reasoning, assumption, conclusion, inference, strengthening, weakening, etc. तो CLAT 2021 से CLAT 2024 तक it was completely CR driven, critical reasoning driven and there was no hint of analytical reasoning whatsoever. The entire logical section, but what happened in CLAT 2025 is that एक पैसेज एनालिटिकल का आया. But what happened in CLAT 2026 is that the entire logical reasoning section consisted of deduction based analytical reasoning and not at all critical reasoning. एक भी क्वेश्चन critical reasoning का नहीं आया. जब बच्चों ने हमें कॉल किया at 4 o'clock that the paper was difficult, somewhat difficult and it was not difficult per se but it was only difficult क्योंकि बच्चों ने analytical reasoning की preparation ही नहीं की थी. कुछ बच्चों ने की थी, कुछ बच्चों ने थोड़ी सी की थी बट मोस्टली बच्चों ने जिस लेवल का एग्जाम में आया उसकी प्रिपरेशन नहीं की थी. सो नाउ ये वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है to actually know what are the topics that you should cover, how should you cover that topic and how should you balance between critical reasoning and analytical reasoning. So stay tuned. Now it is very important to know the exact topic distribution that came in CLAT 2026 so that we can tailor our preparation accordingly for CLAT 2027. क्योंकि कई बार ये होता है हम बहुत ही useless topics पर बहुत ज़्यादा time waste कर देते हैं and topics that have a high risk to reward ratio उनको हम miss कर देते हैं. तो इसलिए it becomes important to actually analyze कि पेपर में आया क्या था. So in CLAT 2026 paper 6 questions came from letter and sequence arrangement puzzle. 6 questions came from deductive investigation or timeline reasoning. 7 questions were blood relations and I think this was the most scoring passage out of all. And 7 questions came from tournament or scheduling puzzle. So a total of 26 questions were there and this was the exact division of questions among the topics. तो ये स्लाइड आपको एक आइडिया दे देगी कि CLAT का एम्फेसिस एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग में कहाँ है और एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग में अगर एम्फेसिस है तो एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग में ऐसे कौन से 4 से 5 टॉपिक्स है जिस पे ज्यादा एम्फेसिस है. सो दैट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट योर एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग प्रिपरेशन मे बी आफ्टर योर क्लास 11 एग्जाम्स और इफ यू आर अ ड्रॉपर मे बी आफ्टर योर क्लास 12 बोर्ड्स देन यू कैन स्टार्ट विद दीज टॉपिक्स and then go on covering the ancillary topics for analytical reasoning. This is the clearest structural shift seen in recent CLAT 2026 paper. CLAT 2021 से CLAT 2024 में बिल्कुल ही analytical reasoning नहीं पूछा जाता था और इसका एक सिंपल लॉजिक था. जब CLAT 2020 में पैटर्न चेंज हुआ मिस्टर फैजान मुस्तफा ने एक YouTube लाइव लिया था और उन्होंने बोला था that CLAT is now redundant because it is testing skills that are not relevant for law exam. क्योंकि CLAT में पहले वन लाइनर मैथ्स आती थी, वन लाइनर जीके आती थी, वन लाइनर एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग आती थी. तो मिस्टर फैजान सर आए YouTube पे बोला कि अब ये सब नहीं होगा. We will actually test the critical reasoning and critical thinking skills in an aspirant because these are the skills that will help an aspirant in the law school and after graduating from law school it will help them in practice. But CLAT 2025 में एक पैसे एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग आया. चलो मान लिया कि they wanted to introduce some diversity and they wanted to introduce some variety. But what happened in CLAT 2026? ये तो complete shift or an ironic shift that I would say from their rationale behind changing the entire syllabus pattern in CLAT 2020 and now going back to the same old redundant pattern in CLAT 2026 जिसका actually में कोई use नहीं है if you are in law school or if you are a practice practicing lawyer later on. Nobody will ask you blood relations in law school, or I can agree to an extent that this might help you understand or develop your analytical reasoning skills. But जो skills critical reasoning से develop होती है, solving analytical questions does not come any close to that. तो अब ये पता नहीं है, like we don't know CLAT 2027 में क्या होगा, but अगर CLAT 2027 की analytical reasoning के लिए हमें preparation शुरू करनी है, these are the 4 to 5 topics जिससे हमें अपनी preparation start करनी है. Now, important analytical reasoning topics to cover for CLAT 2027, and here we have divided it into priority one that is a must cover, that is the non-negotiable things for your CLAT 2027 preparation, and the second one is priority 2, that is the support topics. For example, अगर आप maths quantitative techniques में देखो, the priority topics would be percentages, ratio, proportion and averages, but उसके support topics में mensuration, profit loss, simple interest, time and distance, time and work. तो similarly हमें उसी way में अपनी analytical reasoning preparation को भी divide करना है, priority 1 and priority 2. and priority 1 में हमारे कौन से topics आएंगे? blood relations, included coded relations. सबसे ज्यादा important ये है, अभी तक CLAT में CLAT 2020 तक mostly sentence based blood relations आता था. if I am this, this is this, how am I related to X? but this year the pattern changed entirely and included coded relations. if X is equal to this, Y is equal to this, then prep हमारी blood relations से start होगी. first we will solve sentence based questions and then we will move on to more advanced coded relations. secondly, linear and circular arrangement. आपने देखा होगा टेबल, बहुत सारे questions आते हैं. there is a table of 8, X is sitting next to Y, Y is sitting next to Z. तो पूरा एक टेबल बनता है, ये वो उस टाइप के questions भी हमें करने हैं. then tournament and scheduling puzzles. if X happens on Monday, Y happens on Tuesday, then when will Z happen? These are the type of questions or puzzles that come third in the priority list, but we need to cover it. And then lastly, rule based reduction sets. After you have covered these 4 topics that are your priority topics, now you move on to your priority 2. priority 2 में हमारा ranking and order आएगा. for example, in a class of 60, X ranks 20 and Y ranks 40. these are the type of questions that you must have solved, or you can solve, you can see them in great numbers in any of the analytical reasoning books. तो उस टाइप के questions आएंगे. direction sense आएगी, north, south, west or facing north, facing south. These are the type of questions that can be seen in CLAT, but are usually seen in other law entrance examinations also. So this also becomes an important topic. And lastly, the selection and grouping puzzles. So these are the broad topics that we need to pay attention on. इन सब topics को हमें priority में लेकर चलना है. सबसे पहले ये 4 topics करेंगे, उसके बाद हम ये 3 topics करेंगे, and only after that we will move on to practicing mixed bag questions. These match the exact pattern used in the CLAT 2026 paper. ये data हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि this is completely driven by the CLAT 2026 पेपर. CLAT 2025 में तो एक ही पैसेज आया था, बट CLAT 2026 में पूरा सेक्शन ही एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग का था. तो नाउ दैट फॉर्म्स अ गुड सॉलिड बेस फॉर अस to base our preparation, CLAT 2027 preparation on the CLAT 26 paper. These are the topics that are most expected for your CLAT 2027 paper in analytical reasoning. Now example from real PYQ, how questions were structured. So blood relations का एक set आया था जिसमें उन्हें students were given symbolic relationship statements and had to deduce family connections. Important बात ये है कि the students who were able to draw a family tree were able to solve the questions immediately than those attempting mental reasoning. तो सब कुछ आपको अपने माइंड में ही नहीं करना है. बहुत बार ये होता है कि वी ट्राई टू क्रिएट मेंटल मैप्स इन आवर ओन और माइंड मैप्स एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस, बट इट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स इन एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग टू ड्रॉ अ फैमिली ट्री, बिकॉज CLAT में होता क्या है, एक पैसेज होगा एंड 5 to 6 क्वेश्चंस विल फॉलो दैट पैसेज. सो इवन इफ यू टेक लेट्स से 3 to 4 or 5 minutes to create a family tree, solving the next 5 questions will only take 30 seconds because everything is there with you on the paper now. So अगर blood relations का कोई भी set आता है जिसमें 5 से 6 questions होते हैं based on a passage, first draw a family tree. And now if there is an arrangement set, questions required placing elements in sequence and applying reversal conditions. So students who built up positional grid before reading options save time across the entire set. तो हमारा इससे key lesson ये बनता है that diagramming skills decided speed and not the theoretical knowledge. I might have a great theoretical foundation in blood relations that this is how I should go about solving a question, but that only helps in one line of blood relations questions. If there is a complete passage and then 5 to 6 questions follow that passage, your theoretical knowledge will only help you to an extent, but what is more important is your diagramming skills, and that means you create a family tree as soon as possible. जैसे ही आपको एक पैसेज दिखता है, सबसे पहले note down everything that the details that you have and start working on a family tree. ट्री, वेयर स्टूडेंट्स शुड स्टडी एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग। तो हमें ये बहुत क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि अच्छा भैया अब एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग के लिए अगर प्रिपरेशन करनी है तो करे कहां से। सो दीज आर अ कपल ऑफ सोर्सेज दैट वी हैव पिक्ड अप, वी हैव चेरी पिक्ड दीज सोर्सेज बिकॉज दीज आर मोस्ट रेलिवेंट फॉर यू। इधर उधर से भी आप प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हो, यू कैन रिलाई ऑन रैंडम यूट्यूब वीडियोज ऑल्सो, बट इफ यू सॉल्व दीज कपल ऑफ सोर्सेज, इफ यू रिलाई ऑन दीज सोर्सेज, आई थिंक दैट इज मोर बेनिफिशियल टू यू। सो स्टैंडर्ड रीजनिंग बुक्स, ये बुक्स तो आपको सभी रेकमेंड करेंगे। We have M.K. Pandey Analytical Reasoning and we have Logical Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. So these are the two books that you can rely on for your analytical reasoning preparation. Even better option would be the coaching aligned sources. I am not saying you come to NLTI just for this, but wherever you are enrolled for your CLAT coaching, you will be provided with analytical reasoning books or logical reasoning books. At NLTI also, we will provide you 2 modules on logical reasoning. So these are the best books for your analytical reasoning preparation because these are completely CLAT specific. In books में क्या होगा? They might be covering other exams also like CAT, which asks very advanced questions. So now if you are relying on a coaching aligned source, then it becomes easier for you because you don't have to filter out topics, you don't have to filter out advanced or more very difficult questions because we do that job for you. हम आपको questions ही वो देते हैं in coaching material that are relevant for you, that are exactly according to the CLAT pattern and which are not relevant for you. Basically the CAT type questions or more advanced questions that are not at all relevant for you. So sectional LR booklets modules, because these are filtered for CLAT level preparation, and analytical reasoning sets from CLAT mocks. Yes, obviously you even in NLTI mocks we provide you the analytical reasoning section now more often. So your mocks are your primary sources, your coaching material for logical reasoning is your primary source, and obviously now you have the benefit of PYQ also, like CLAT 2026 PYQ also becomes a strong starting point for you. Very important thing, students should avoid CAT level puzzle collections because these are too heavy for CLAT. Now how to create a logical reasoning visuals effectively. तो जैसे ही आपको क्वेश्चन मिलता है, you have to devote the first 90 seconds on building one master diagram. If it's a blood relation question, draw a family tree, and now then solve each question step by step. तो बहुत बार बच्चे पूछते हैं कि हम पहले क्वेश्चंस पढ़ें, आंसर ऑप्शन पढ़ें, या हम पहले डायग्राम बनाना शुरू करें, बिकॉज समटाइम्स इट्स अ वेरी मिनिस्क्यूल पॉसिबिलिटी बट इट इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट कई बार ऑप्शंस देख के ही यू कैन कम टू द करेक्ट आंसर, बट दैट इज नॉट एट ऑल रिकमेंडेड बिकॉज आप इस तरीके से एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लोगे, 2 क्वेश्चन कर लोगे, बट ऑल 5 to 6 क्वेश्चन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सॉल्व बाय दिस मेथड. तो best option or best method to go about analytical reasoning is to devote the first 90 seconds when you see the question on building one master diagram or a family tree or the arrangement puzzle, and then go about solving every question step by step. And now coming to a very important thing, how you should balance your critical reasoning prep and analytical reasoning prep. So this should be your daily routine for CLAT preparation, specifically CLAT 2027 preparation. Let's say you spend 25 to 30 minutes on analytical reasoning puzzle. इसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो, यू कैन सॉल्व 1 full set of analytical reasoning puzzles, और इफ यू आर गुड एट इट यू कैन इवन सॉल्व 2 to 3 sets of analytical reasoning puzzles. तो ये तो हो गया आपका analytical reasoning का बेस कवर. नाउ इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू डू नॉट स्किप योर critical reasoning preparation because it is equally important. अगर critical reasoning पेपर में नहीं भी आता है, रिवाइजिंग और प्रैक्टिसिंग critical reasoning, that is topics like assumption, conclusion, inference, strengthening, weakening, etc. अगर ये क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग पर से सेक्शन नहीं भी आता है क्लैट में, प्रैक्टिसिंग इट डेली विल हेल्प यू विद द रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन सेशन बिकॉज दीज 2 sections आर वेरी ओवरलैपिंग. तो नाउ 25 to 30 minutes फॉर एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग एंड नाउ अगेन 25 to 30 minutes ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग पैसेजेस. ये आपकी डेली रूटीन में होना ही चाहिए. And obviously last 10 minutes for error analysis and review. Everyone will tell you that you have to analyze whatever you study. तो अगर आप 2 sets puzzle solve कर रहे हो, 2 passages critical reasoning के solve कर रहे हो and you're taking 50 minutes in total for this, spend the last 10 minutes of an hour on analyzing and reviewing whatever you have practiced. CLAT pattern rotates, very important. CLAT का कोई fixed pattern नहीं है. You never know what CLAT 2027 will ask. CLAT 2021 to 24 were heavy critical reasoning section, and that means that CR can return anytime. Just because CLAT 2026 में CR नहीं पूछी गई थी, that does not mean कि CLAT 2027 में भी नहीं पूछी जाएगी. CLAT का pattern is very unpredictable. Nobody knows what they will ask next year. Maybe it can be a complete AR section, maybe it can be a complete CR section, maybe it can be a mix of both. So it is very important that we cover both our basics. So weekly practice structure will look like this. 3 days for arrangement and puzzle practice, 2 days for blood relations plus deduction, and 2 days for CR passage heavy practice. तो आपने मतलब 5 दिन अपनी analytical reasoning कर ली क्योंकि analytical reasoning में topic ज़्यादा है, and 2 दिन of a week you spend on your critical reasoning heavy practice. Important, 1 sectional logical reasoning test every week. It's very important that you put your knowledge and understanding to test, वरना आप थियोरी पढ़ते रह जाओगे, आप सब करते रह जाओगे, बट इफ यू डोंट प्रैक्टिस बाय सॉल्विंग सेक्शनल्स और मॉक्स तो आप सब भूल जाओगे एग्जाम से पहले। तो जरूरी है कि 1 घंटा डेली लगाओ, 7 दिन का डिवाइड ऐसे करो, 5 दिन AR, 2 दिन CR, बट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट to also keep giving mocks and sectional tests. Okay, so to summarize what we just discussed, पहले हमारी assumption होती थी from CLAT 21 to CLAT 2024 that AR is gone from CLAT. Now the correct preparation approach is that AR rotates and can dominate as we saw in CLAT 26. Only CR matters was also one assumption that we used to make कि अब तो सिर्फ critical reasoning ही आएगा, analytical reasoning गायब है. Again, the correct preparation approach should be a balanced preparation which involves both CR and AR. An old assumption was to practice random puzzles. कहीं से भी उठा ली, puzzle solve कर दी, but now CLAT has made it clear that it will ask very targeted, very niche type of questions, and it is very important to now practice CLAT type structured puzzles. Now, this is what we have already discussed: core topics asked, arrangement, blood relation, reduction, etc. Daily routine we have discussed: 1 hour daily, 25 minutes for AR, 25 minutes for CR, 10 minutes for mock analysis and revision. A weekly plan should look like 3 days. I'll go back to this. 3 days for arrangement and puzzle practice, 2 days for blood relations and reduction, and 2 days for heavy CR practice, which includes your core CR topics. So that's it from this session. Hope you found this useful. Hope you now have some clarity on how do you go about analytical reasoning preparation. देखो, CLAT 2027 is very unpredictable. AR बिल्कुल नहीं भी आ सकता और बिल्कुल ही आ सकता है. So it is very important that you strike the right balance. It is very important that you follow a structured routine, and it is very important that you do not ignore one particular section, be it CR or AR. ऐसा ना हो that you are completely prepared for AR but your CR theory or basics are very weak, and ऐसा भी ना हो that your CR theory and basics like assumption, conclusion, inference are very strong but you fail in analytical reasoning. So strike the right balance. If you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you want us to make another video on any topic that you are struggling with, do let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a good day.